Morning, love bugs. I'm up because I went to the grocery stores, okay, because your girl was craving sushi and I could have just bought some, but I was like, challenge yourself and make your own. So, let me show y'all what I got. All right, so from Walmart I just picked up trash bags, cling wrap, and sushi rice. All right, so from Grassroots I got nori, rice vinegar, sriracha, and some soy sauce. This is the brewed soy sauce that is gluten-free with no GMOs in it. I opened it right away and put it in the fridge, so it is good. I do like it and I will get that from now on. And now from Fresh Market I got Dawn dish detergent, a Sprite to drink because I am thirsty, but I'm only supposed to be drinking water. Don't tell nobody, just, you know, keep that between us. I got some yum yum sauce, fish fry, cream cheese spread, pre-cooked shrimp tempura, my favorite snack, Tate's butter crunch cookies. These are so freaking good. If you haven't tried them, please do so. And an avocado. So that's my little grocery store haul for sushi day, and y'all gonna see how it's gonna turn. Okay, lovies, while I'm prepping for my whole sushi day or whatever, I decided to make me a little cocktail and show you guys what this cocktail consists of. Okay, first off, what you're gonna need is all of your ingredients. You're gonna need a glass, first and foremost, to put your drink in. Okay, you're gonna need a shaker to shake it, okay, and ice, of course. You're gonna need drink of your choice, chaser of your choice, and syrup of your choice. That's it. Okay, that's all you're gonna need. So what I'll do is I'll start with my shaker with ice in it. Okay, and we'll start with the drink of my choice, which is my boo, Crown Apple. Love it. Good. Wholesome. Yes, I'm a whiskey drinker and it's good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the whiskey and pour it in my cup. And like I said, pour it because we don't measure around here. We just, you know, we pour. Okay, and then my chaser is Ocean Spray's Cran Pineapple, which is so freaking good. And again, we're not measuring, we pouring. Okay, and then this syrup is so good. It's sweet, you guys, but it's so good. You do not need a lot of it. Okay, and I'm not gonna put this in right away. I'm gonna put it in at the end, but that's the syrup that I'm gonna use. So then I'm gonna put the topper on top of my shaker and shake. Okay, get my glass, pour it in. And then you guys, you take the syrup and you pour it in. Now, y'all, I said it's sweet, okay? If you like super sweet drinks and you're not really like a drinker that likes to taste your drink, pour it up, okay? But if you like to taste your drink, you only need a little bit. And I'm really just adding it for the aesthetics. For this video, y'all can see I just made a mess and I'm gonna clean it up. But yeah, just basically for the aesthetics of this video. But it's good. It's really, really good. And yeah, it's really, really good. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it yet, but it's been what I've been drinking on like lately. Okay, it's good, but it's sweet. So if you do not like sweet drinks, you guys, do not add this, or add just like a little bit of this. And eventually I'm gonna stir it up, but I really do like the way that it looks. Like, it look good. All right, so in the next clip y'all gonna see my sushi. Okay, y'all, like, I feel like I fucked my rice up. Like, sushi rice is not for the weak, okay? Like, it's sticky, but what I think I did, you guys, was put too much vinegar. I don't like the taste, and it's still wet. It's supposed to be like a little bit more drier than this, like drier and fluffier, but still sticky, if you know what I mean. Like, it's sticky, but yeah, I think I done fucked up. We're gonna keep going because we learning, okay? That's just how it is. That's just what we doing. So I just wanted to show y'all that everything ain't peaches and cream how they make it seem in these videos, okay? So yeah. Y'all, I really have to perfect my sushi rolls because listen, they are not the most beautiful. I overcooked the shit out of my rice, but we still gonna eat these. So now I just gotta cut them and plate them. So maybe the presentation will look better than what I got going on. Okay, we just gonna hope for the best. So what I'm about to do is cut them. Child, I'm doing this so wrong. Praying I don't cut my hand. Yes, my rice is so overcooked. I can feel it. Like, I can feel it, y'all. And I don't like that feeling. You know that feeling you get when you cook, okay, well, let's see how it look on the inside. Hold on now. We up to a little something. Okay. Girl, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna plate these and finish cutting this one, plate this one, and all right, you guys, so this is my sushi. As you guys can see, I overcooked the shit out that rice, but I am proud of myself because even though I wanted to give up, I kept going. Okay, like I really did. So now it's all time to taste it and see what it tastes like. All right, you guys, take two of trying this sushi. So what I'm gonna do is take this one right here. And I really didn't tell you guys what was in it, but in one is shrimp tempura and the other one is fish and avocado and cream cheese. So dip it in my soy sauce. It's good, but like I said, my rice is just a little bit overcooked, so pretty good. Good and spicy. Yeah, my rice is just a little bit overcooked, so I gotta work on that. But yeah, this was fun, messy, but fun. So how are y'all spending y'all Saturday? Because this was cool, and I'm getting what I've been craving all week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Take care, lovies. Bye. That's my soy sauce. See, not the greatest. This rice is just the worst. Oh my God. Y'all, I took this damn bamboo mat out of the shit and it just fell apart on me. Like, girl, what? Was I rolling that bad?